everyone, today I'm going to show you how I wrap my acrylic paintings and my pour paintings when I'm about to ship it to the buyer or to a friend. So this is an 11 by 14 acrylic pour over acrylic paintings, or rather acrylic paintings over acrylic pour. And I need to ship this one to the lucky winner of my August giveaway raffle. And when wrapping an acrylic paintings or in any art that you want to ship it, you need to make sure that it will be protected from rain or from any damage due to the shipping. So you can use also an aluminum foil if you don't have any Glassine or any shiny materials. You can use an aluminum foil. You can just wrap it like this. Then put some tape at the corner. Then, after you wrap it with aluminum foil, you can use some brown paper like this. This is from some of the package that arrive on and I always like to save it because I can still reuse it in sending some of my arts. Then you can use also a paper towel to wrap the painting. So you just need to cut it according to the size you want. You can wrap it like this. And you just need to put a lot of paper towel, or if you want, you can use a Glassine. So I have a Glassine here. I bought this in Amazon. It's a roll already, and this size of Glassine, I use this for my big canvas, like 18 by 24 and 24 by 30 canvas. And I also have a short type of Glassine. This one I use this for my small canvas, and it's really work, and I save a lot if I buy the Glassine by roll. So I'm gonna use a Glassine for these acrylic paintings that I'm about to ship. So I already cut a Glassine. So I'm gonna put the painting in the center. Fold it. It is very important that when you ship your art, it's been protected, because we don't want our art piece to be damaged, especially if we're going to ship it in other country. So make sure that you put something in the top of the painting. Especially, you cannot return the art piece. So after I put a Glassine at the top of the painting, I'm going to wrap it with a bubble wrap. So just make sure when you use their bubble wrap, the bubbles is outside and the smooth one will be the inside. Because if you use the bubble wrap in a reverse way, there's gonna be a tendency that there will be a mark in your painting if there is no protective glazing also, or paper towel at the top. So I'm gonna roll it. 1, 2, and 3. Then I'm gonna put some tape. At the side. Gonna bend this one. Side. I'm trying to make it tight so that it will fit to the box also. Other side. And the other side. Now that we safely wrapped the painting, it's about to put in the box. So since the painting is small, it's an 11 by 14 painting, I'm just gonna use the USPS box because their shipping fee is much cheaper. But when I ship a big canvas like an 18 by 24 or 16 by 20 size of canvas, we ship my painting through FedEx because we have a better rate. So we're gonna put down the painting. We're gonna bend a little bit because it's high, but for sure it will work. Then let's remove the tape. Then again. So that's it, guys. This is the way I wrap all my acrylic paintings, my acrylic pour that I ship to the buyer and to our friends. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope that you enjoy watching me wrapping the paintings, and I hope you learned something from my video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, everyone.